Welcome to Andrew's Adventure in Science. Today we are going to be doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. You will need safety equipment like glasses. You will also need measuring equipment, a funnel, a big water bottle, and a baking tray. You will need dishwashing liquid, hydrogen peroxide, food coloring and yeast, and warm water. Add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into your empty bottle. Add some food coloring. Then add a big squeeze of dishwasher liquid. Next, we must add 3 tablespoons of warm water with the yeast for 30 seconds. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's add the yeast. I predict that the ingredients is going to shoot out of the bottle. Look at that. My prediction was correct. The elephant toothpaste experiment demonstrates a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction has occurred. The yeast breaks down the hydrogen peroxide. The hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water. Soap mixes with the water and oxygen and makes foam. Thank you for watching my experiment.